Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I am Gursimran Kaur, your maths teacher. Please like, subscribe and share my channel if you find this video informative. In this video, we will do the questions of exercise 1.5 of NCERT book of number systems. In the last video, I have explained the concept of this exercise. Those who have not seen that video, I will provide the link. Can go and see that video. It is really important to these questions. So let us start with these questions. Classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. The first part is 2 minus under root 5. 2 is rational number. Root 5 is irrational number because it is non-terminating, non-repeating. Now, what is given in the question? That rational number minus irrational number. In that introduction video, I have explained that if one number is rational and other is irrational, the answer is always irrational whether we do addition, subtraction, division or multiplication. So the answer here is irrational. In other way also, if I see 2 minus, if I subtract any non-terminating, non-repeating number, decimal expansion from an integer, the answer will always be non-terminating, non-repeating, which is always irrational. Now the second part, 3 plus root 23 minus root 23. I will remove the bracket in the first step. Now root 23 minus root 23 will be cancelled out and the answer is 3. 3 is an integer which can be written in the form p by q, where q is not equal to 0 and p and q belongs to integers. So this is rational number. It is the definition of rational numbers. Now the third part, 2 under root 7 divided by 7 under root 7. In the first step, root 7 will be cancelled out and we will be left out with 2 by 7. 2 is a rational number, 7 is a rational number. I have already told in the introduction video, if we divide, subtract, multiply or add any rational numbers to rational numbers, the answer is always rational. So the answer is rational. In other form also, 2 by 7 is of the form p by q, where q is not equal to 0 and p and q belongs to integers. So this answer is rational. Now fourth part, 1 by root 2. 1 is a rational number, root 2 is an irrational number. If we divide rational by irrational or irrational by rational, the answer is always irrational. So this answer is irrational. Now the fifth part, 2 pi. 2 is a rational number and pi is irrational number because pi is a non-terminating, non-repeating number. So if I multiply rational with irrational, the answer is always irrational. Now some simplification questions. First part is, these questions are of the operations of real numbers. We will use that 3 plus root 3 in the bracket, then 2 plus root 2 in the bracket. These both are being multiplied here. This is if we collectively write two brackets, it is the sign that these are multiplying each other. So how we will solve this? First digit 3 multiplied with the whole bracket plus root 3, second digit multiplied with the whole bracket, 2 plus root 2. Now multiplying each and every number, 3 multiply 2 plus 3 multiply root 2 plus as it is, then second bracket root 3 multiply 2 plus as it is, then root 3 multiply root 2. Now 3 multiply 2 is 6, 3 multiply root 2, any irrational number is 3 root 2 only, plus as it is 2 multiply root 3 is 2 root 3. Now if we multiply two roots, the answer root a multiply root b is root ab. So multiplying 3 into 2 is 6. So I have written root 6. Now second part, we will do root 5 plus root 2 whole square. This can be solved by the simple formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Let a is equal to root 5 here and b is equal to root 2. Now applying the formula, right hand side will be a square plus b square plus 2ab. A here is root 5. So root 5 whole square plus root 2 whole square plus 2 root 5 multiply root 2. Now if I multiply two roots with the same number having the same digit, the answer is a only. Root will be cancelled out. We will remove the root. So root 5 whole square is 5. Root 2 whole square is 2. Then 2. Then the earlier formula only, root a multiply root b is equal to root ab. So 5 multiply 2 is 10. Now the next part, root 5 minus root 2 multiply root 5 plus root 2. This can be solved by the formula a plus b. A minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Here a I will take root 5, b I will take root 2. A square minus b square is equal to root 5 square minus root 2 square. Root 5 square is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Now next question is rationalize the denominators. Rationalizing is removing the irrational part from the denominator, or we can say making the denominator rational. Now if I given 1 by root 7, I will multiply by root 7 and divide by root 7. Then the simple multiplication, 1 multiply root 7 is equal to root 7. Root 7 multiply root 7 is equal to 7. Now second part, 1 by root 7 minus root 6. I have told the formulas in the introduction video. You can see in that if we divide by 1 by root 7 minus root 6, we will multiply and divide with the same number but with the opposite sign. Here it is minus. I have multiplied with the same number but with plus sign. Now simply multiplying, 1 multiply root 7 plus root 6 is equal to root 7 plus root 6. In the denominator, it is making the formula a minus b, a plus b. So multiplying, it gives a square minus b square. Now root 7 whole square is 7. Root 6 whole square is 6. And root 7 plus root 6 as it is in the numerator, and 7 minus 6 is equal to 1 in the denominator. It becomes this. Rational, we have made the number denominator as rational. Now the third part, 1 by root 7 minus 2. Now here is minus in the denominator, so I will multiply and divide with the same number but with the opposite sign, that is plus. Multiplying the numerator by 1, root 7 plus 2 as it is. Then making the formula a minus b, a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Then root 7 whole square is equal to 7. 2 square is equal to 4. And root 7 plus 2 in the numerator, and 7 minus 4 is equal to 3 in the denominator. This is the answer. If you have any doubt, please write in the comment section. Thank you viewers for watching this video.